Here we'll be looking at several phylum that are important in photosynthesis. Although we do not usually use gram staining for the identification of this bacteria, but these bacteria all stains as gram negative. And in this slide we'll show the main differences among the different phylum. Oxygenic photosynthesis means when the cyanobacteria is carrying out its photosynthesis, oxygen is generated, whereas for Chloroflexota and Chlorobiota, no oxygen is generated when photosynthesis is carried out. The names in the bracket are the previous names for the phylum. Cyanobacteria can carry out nitrogen fixation in their heterosis, as opposed to Chloroflexota and Chlorobiota. Cyanobacteria is both unicellular and filamentous, whereas for Chloroflexota they are filamentous, for Chlorobiota they are unicellular. A common name for cyanobacteria is the blue-green algae. For Chloroflexota is green non-sulfur bacteria, and for Chlorobiota, green sulfur bacteria. So based on this name, you realize that Chlorobiota requires hydrogen sulfide for CO2 reduction, whereas for Chloroflexota, they use organic compounds for CO2 reduction. Examples of species under Cyanobacteria are Chinchococcus, Anabaina, and Trichodesmium. For Chloroflexota, you have your Chloroflexus. For Chlorobiota, you have your Chlorobium. So Chinchococcus, usually unicellular, Anabaina, filamentous, with heterosis that allows nitrogen fixation. Trichodesmium, also filamentous in this kind of organization. Trichodesmium is very important in the seas because they are the main nitrogen fixer in the upper waters of the sea. Here you can see colonies of Trichodesmium in the open ocean. Here you can see the filamentous Chloroflexus and the unicellular Chlorobium.